Okay, so this pattern is fairly straightforward. You have the 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces for the outer side of the SD cards. You have the pieces, 1, 2 larger pieces where you're going to stitch the tops to, and these are going to provide place for the inserts. This will insert the this piece will insert under like that. So you have these pieces 1 and 2 that the inserts stitch to. These are the main outer piece. The order that you're going to do these in, so you understand, so you don't get confused. First, the square piece, you're going to stitch the main lines, long lines, and the 3 interior pieces. Okay, you're not going to stitch the outer yet because you're going to actually stitch that outer to the main outer body when it comes time. So you'll stitch this to that right there. And then same with the bottom. You're not going to stitch this long piece until you're ready to stitch the whole panel to the main outer body. The one place that's different is on the left side, because it has holes along the outside. You're going to, for this piece, you're going to sew the one in the middle, and then 1, 2, 3 interior, 1, 2, 3 divider lines, and then you're going to leave the outside, the outside top and bottom and the main left. You're not going to sew those yet until you're ready to sew it to the main body. Now, for mine, I did place snaps. So if you want to use snaps or some other type of enclosure, feel free to. The holes are there in the pattern for just convenience. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and let's put these here. So I'm gonna stitch this line here to the body, and then this one to the body, and then I'm going to stitch down, up, around this piece, this panel to the body, and then I'll be back. Okay, so here it is. Got it all stitched up, snaps in place. Yeah, I like it. Gave it really nice. Let me open it up for you real quick. Yeah, so open it up. Places for SD cards. So 8 on one side. Place for your field notes. 8 on the other. Yeah, it came out nice. I think it looks good. So yeah, like I said before, this last time I stitched around, down and up, and then on this panel I just stitched along the top, along the bottom to attach to the main body. And so before you do that, before you attach these, make sure before you attach this piece at least, make sure you get your snaps in place just so they're covered up once you stitch this down, as you don't see the other side. Or if you want to do a different enclosure type, feel free. Some type of strip of leather that you just wrap around it real quick, a little bit more rustic look. Okay, that's it. If you have any questions, let me know. I will be doing another one of these, but for Switch game cards. And so I don't know if you know this, but Switch cards are just a little bit narrower. They're 22 millimeters instead of 24. So I'm going to be making one here shortly. Slightly different pattern, just so you can fit 5, 5, and then 5. So you can fit 20 of them on here instead of 16. And along with the same notes, the field notes if you want to. All right, enjoy that, and I'll put some glamour shots here in a second. And if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.